sa'yo ang ilaw na nagsisilbi kong liwanag. Labis ang ngiti kapag ika'y kaharap. Ramdam ko ang pagmamahal, giliw. Namumukot ang ikaw.
Heart, never I imagined that the best friend I once friendzoned would be the same person standing in front of me now, ready to spend forever with me.
Dear heart, may palagi galit, palagi tama, at palagi kong mamahalin. Happy 89th anniversary sa ating dalawa.
Dito ka sa piling ko.
To my beautiful wife, thank you for the love, patience, and endless support. You make every day brighter. I hope this gift makes you smile as much as you make me.
I saw how you love me with patience, kindness, and grace. The kind of love that reflects His own. I saw how you prayed for me and never gave up, even when I wasn't sure of myself.
Sa bawat sandali.
Heart, so you'll never miss our moments. May this help you capture, connect, plan, or our next adventures. Can't wait to start forever with you. See you soon. Please, wag kang iiyak. Love, your soon-to-be wife.
Tayong dalawa'y pinatagpo ng tamang pagkakataon. Hindi maitatanggi na sa akin ikaw ang
From this day forward, I promise to choose you, not just when it's easy, but especially when it's hard. You're not just the person I want to marry. You're the person I want to grow up with, to love with, and to wake up next to for the rest of my life.
ikaw lang at ako ang naninaan sa gitna ng paraiso na aking sinimulan o aking tahanan.
Today, before God and everyone we love, I vow to never take that third chance for granted. I promise to choose you, the friend who stayed, the man who pursued, and the love God had for me.
Mahal kita, walang iba. Kaya naman dito ka sa piling ko. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang. Bumabagal ang ikot ng mundo kapag ika'y nariyan ang aking tahanan.
Palagi kitang mamahalin. Sa bawat umaga, sa bawat gabing uwi tayo sa isa't isa. Sa hirap man o ginawa, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko.
Dito ka sa piling ko. Nakadikit sa aking labi. Bumabagal ang aking kilong. Hindi ko maitatanggi. Dito ka lang, dito ka lang, dito ka lang.
Ang buhay ninyong pinapasok bilang nagmamahalan, kayo'y magiging mag-asawa habang buhay. Ialay mo ang buhay mo sapagat iyan ang tanda ng tunay na nagmamahal.
Galingan nyo, yung mga kuko nyo, yung mga kuko nyo. Let's get love!
Minsan gusto kong magsumbong sa'yo kapag
Thank you sa pag-aalaga sa akin, sa amin mga apo mo. Miss ka na namin.
Minsan gusto ko tumawag sa'yo.
Sorry if sometimes you feel I don't love you, but trust me, I love you more than you'll ever know.
Mali na ba kapag nakangiti ako? Hinahanap ko ang sa'yo. Kahit hindi na kita nakikita, kahit lumipas pa nila dekada, kahit nabago na hinahanap ko yung mga mata, hanggang may kahel na langit.
I love you as my best friend, my answered prayer, and now my forever. So here's the third chances, unexpected beginnings, and the best decision I ever made.
My biggest flex for our relationship is that we fell in love with each other's souls and personalities before anything else. We didn't have to touch each other to know the other was the one our hearts knew before anything. I love you, Balay.
Kahit hindi na kita nakikita, kahit lumipas pa nila dekada, kahit nagbago na hinahanap ng iyong mga mata, hanggang may kahel na langit, naisip kita.
Heart, thank you for staying with me sa pagpili sa akin kahit topakin ako. Mainitin ang aking ulo, huwag ka sanang magsawa. I love you beyond words, my palagi, my constant, my calm, my storm, and now my home.
Sa mga